It's a cool, rainy day at the Holland Marsh. In fact, it's been cool and rainy all spring long. You planted onions 2 weeks ago, and it sure is taking a long time to see those tiny seedlings emerge. 2 months later, and the scouts are noting poor emergence all over the field. These seedlings have died, but what could be causing this? The problem here is that these onion seedlings have the fungal disease onion smut, caused by Urocystis sepulae. This disease infects the cotyledons, or more commonly referred to as the flagleaf stage, as it grows through the soil. So what's really going on here, and why is this disease such a big deal? Spores of Urocystis sepulae can survive in the soil for many years, which makes certain control measures, like crop rotation, ineffective. To complicate this, the spores spread incredibly fast and easily, through water, on equipment, and by farmers and scouts. Basically, onions are susceptible after germination and up to the development of the first true leaf, and after this, there is a significantly reduced risk of infection. Sadly, many seedlings will be killed by the disease, which create noticeable gaps in the plant stand, and any surviving seedlings are often underdeveloped with little to no bulb. If a bulb does form, it will be covered in black, sooty-looking, streaky lesions. So what fields are most at risk of infection? The greatest risk is early in the season, as the disease attacks seedlings. Infected seedlings usually die within 3 to 5 weeks of infection, reducing stands and consequently yield. Overall, a cool, wet spring increases incidence of smut infection, because seedlings grow slower and the flag leaf is in the soil for a longer period of time. Bulbs of infected plants, if developed, are susceptible to passing on the disease to other bulbs in storage. The bottom line is that regular field scouting methods are the best management practice to assess disease level, though scouts need to be careful not to track infected soil to other fields. Note that there are no thresholds established for this disease, and scouts should be careful not to confuse uneven stands for onion maggot damage. Unfortunately, there aren't any practical ways of controlling onion smut. There aren't currently any commercial onion varieties available that are resistant to smut. There are, however, seed treatments available for growers which can reduce losses. It's also recommended that growers not plant their onion seeds too deep underground, as this can increase the amount of time it takes for the flag leaf to emerge, allowing more time for the disease to establish. Neither seed treatments nor shallow seeding are completely effective control methods, so it's important for growers to continue to scout for disease, and that researchers continue to explore new management options. Although impossible to completely control for, if growers routinely scout for disease presence and abide by these few management techniques, we can all continue to enjoy this popular vegetable for years to come.